Hello, welcome back to Withdrawals Affiliates. In today's video, I will be showing you how to successfully set up your bank details on Uphoria. If you want to set up your bank details on Uphoria, the first thing you need to do is to head over and click on the three dash icon located at the top of your right hand side. So you click on the three dash icon like this. After clicking on the three dash icon, the next step for you to take is to head over and click on profile. Then you click on profile and wait for it to load because we have a network issues right now. Okay, it has opened. So when you get to this place like this, what you need to know is that on Uphoria you have two places to set up your bank details. You have here you can set up your primary account, and you also have here you can set up your secondary account. And at this case, this particular account, primary account, has already been set up, which is this particular one. As you can see here, these are the bank details here. So what we are going to do now, we are going to set up the secondary account. So let me make you understand this. Primary account, this primary account definitely stands for commercial banks like Access Bank, First Bank, UBA, GT banks, all those banks like that. Those are the commercial banks. And the secondary account is where you can set up your fintech bank like let's say Kuda, Money Point, and others mobile app stuffs like that. So since this account has already been set up, since the primary account has already been set up, so what we are going to do here on this video, we are going to focus on the secondary account. So for you to add up your secondary account, note it's the same process that you use to add the secondary account that you will use to add the primary account. So what we are going to do now is to head over and click on add account. So after clicking on add account, you click here to select. Click on this icon here. You click on it to select the type of bank that you want to add. So you click on the bank. For example, now I've selected First Bank. So what I need to do now is to click here to enter the account number. For example, 311331888. So I have successfully typed the bank account, and the next thing for me to do now is to head over and click on validate. So I need to validate this. I need to wait for the validation process to be complete so that it will verify my account name to know that there is no mistake on the account. So you need to wait for it to pop up the name on this particular account. So as you can see here, it has showed account validation successful. So if you also check here, this is the name on the account. So whenever you validate like this and the name on the account is accurate, you know that's your account name. So the next thing you need to do is just to head over and click on continue. You just tap on continue and you save the account. That is all. So you can also use this same process to link your primary account. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this.